To install applications, locate the App Store icon on the home screen and tap on it. You'll find two app stores available. We need to select the Android App Store. Once it's downloaded and installed, enter the App Store, find Echo TV, and confirm the installation. Echo TV provides access to live TV channels. Next, install Echo VOD for movies and TV series. Then, proceed to install the Playback app, which offers access to popular TV channels from the past 7 days, including major TV news channels and all sports channels. You can explore and install other apps by clicking on them one by one. Once all apps are installed, return to the home screen. Navigate to Live TV and select Echo TV to add it here. Similarly, place Echo, VOD, and Playback in their corresponding positions for easy access.